All right, here's what we have going on. It's about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Uh, Sunny day this morning. The top temperature gauge is actually what the solar heater is running at. Inside it's 124 degrees. The bottom number is when it kicks on, essentially once it hits 80. This is the tubing coming in to my furnace. Um, and then over here we have the tubing, or the cold air return, I guess if you will, going into the solar heater. And there's the solar heater outside, as you can see. Nice thing about this is it's probably 40 degrees outside, so we've got an increase of like 85 degrees right now, and it'll get warmer as the day progresses. I just wanted to give you guys, some of my viewers, an actual demonstration of how it works. So we got the cool air coming in here. I've got this little stocking acting as a filter. It's got a blower motor that kicks on, so it takes uses maybe a couple cents per day to run that motor at the most. But everything else, all the heat is quote unquote free from the unit. Okay, so that's going into the unit. And then, as I said earlier, this ductwork right here is coming out of the unit, also has a motor put on it to drive the warm air. This, of course, thermostat is what drives the warm air. It's up to 125.9, and you can see it's probably climbing as well. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick view of how things are working with it. It's a great thing. It's, days that it's sunshiny. It's been working really well. It's been a lot of sun lately. Notice also, as I'd said before, on some of the coldest days, it's the sunniest as well. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know, and I appreciate you checking it out.